Every crystal of sugar begins its journey here.
Only fully mature cane is selected for processing. Precision harvesting ensures maximum sugar yield. Each stalk is cut to preserve its natural sweetness. Freshly cut cane moves immediately to transport. Speed matters to protect sugar content.
Harvesting runs in a continuous cycle. Quality control begins before the factory. Every step reduces loss and waste. The journey to the sugar factory begins. Timing is critical once cane is cut.
Every ton is tracked from the source. Traceability ensures consistent sugar quality.
Raw materials leave the fields behind. Harvest and industry move as one system.
Fields reset for the next growing cycle.
From agriculture to industry. This is where sugarcane becomes white crystal. Every factory movement begins with controlled access.
Incoming raw material is logged and verified.
Fresh cane must arrive fast to protect its sweetness. Authorization clears the path forward. The factory absorbs the harvest.
Flow control prevents delays and congestion. Exact weight is measured on arrival. Data drives every decision inside the plant. Each batch is tracked from field to crystal. Approval sends cane deeper into the process. Industry replaces open farmland.
Verification protects final product quality.
Transport synchronizes with processing capacity. Positioning must be exact. Gravity will do the heavy work. The factory takes its first bite. From transport to transformation. This is where agriculture meets precision industry.
Fresh cane enters the factory without delay. Human oversight guides every machine.
19 first machine.
Flow rate is carefully balanced.
Safety and efficiency move together.
The raw journey enters controlled space.
Scale defines modern sugar production.
Material flow is engineered precisely.
Controlled feeding prevents bottlenecks.
Problems are caught early. Only usable cane moves on. Preparation sets the foundation.
Human and machine share the space. Utilities power the process. Cleaning begins here.
Raw cane is ready for refinement.
Pure water meets raw material. Movement ensures uniform cleaning.
Waste exits as value continues.
Clean cane moves forward immediately. Final rinse locks in cleanliness. Nothing is wasted inside the factory and is wasted inside the factory.
Human eyes confirm machine work.
Only pure cane continues.
Uniformity improves extraction.
Timing controls efficiency.
Surface moisture is reduced.
Preparation gives way to processing. Alignment protects the machines.
Clean cane is ready to be broken down. Size reduction unlocks the sugar inside. Fibers are opened for maximum yield. Surface area makes extraction possible.
Pressure forces the juice free. Sweet liquid is released.
Extraction happens in stages. Nothing here goes unused. Streams combine into one flow.
Transport shifts from gravity to pressure.
Liquid moves deeper into refinement. Clarity begins here.
Raw juice is now controlled.
Heat prepares the juice for purification.
Precision protects sugar quality.
Impurities are about to be removed.
Gravity begins the separation.
Waste is removed continuously. Only purified juice moves on. Byproducts exit without stopping the line.
Energy is recycled across stages.
Sweetness becomes denser. Concentration increases step by step. Exact density is critical. Crystallization begins under control. Conditions are set for crystal birth. Growth starts with a seed.
Time and control create structure.
Data confirms readiness. Decisions happen instantly. The factory thinks in real time. Code governs consistency. Safety is always verified. Balance protects quality. Moisture is the final enemy. The final refinement begins. Heat removes the last traces of moisture.
Moisture leaves the system.
Dry crystals regain strength. Temperature is stabilized. Even distribution enables precision.
Size defines application.
Only exact size moves on.
Uniformity is achieved. Invisible risks are removed. Purity is visually confirmed. Perfection is enforced instantly. Finish defines quality. The product nears completion. Verification never stops. Quality travels ahead. Balance protects consistency. Engeltankly.
The line prepares to pack. Final checks come next. Quality assurance starts here. Samples are treated with precision. Exact quantities are key.
Moisture levels must be perfect.
Uniform whiteness defines quality.
Every metric is cross-checked.
Every batch is traceable. Approval releases sugar to packaging.
Efficiency meets accuracy.
Communication is instantaneous.
Verified sugar joins the final stream. Documentation preserves accountability. Redundancy ensures perfection.
Every movement is monitored.
The final phase is ready. The final transformation begins here. Measured portions ensure consistency.
Protection preserves quality.
Precision governs every bag.
Standards are never compromised.
Automation organizes the warehouse. Orderly storage ensures efficiency. Movement is controlled and precise. Everything has its place.
Precision guides every delivery.
The factory feeds the supply chain.
From cane to crystal, the journey is complete.
Organization ensures readiness.
Distribution networks await.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.